This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. New Brunswick is getting a major snowstorm on Sunday, February the 3rd, 2013. New Brunswick is getting a major snowstorm. It's going to be 40 plus centimeters of snow in New Brunswick. Winds are going to gust up to over 90 plus kilometers per hour in New Brunswick. Winds will be blowing the snow, drifted snow. Visibility is going to be near zero in New Brunswick. It's going to be a blizzard conditions in New Brunswick on Sunday, February the 3rd, 2013. People in New Brunswick, be prepared! Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants is ready, because the storm is going to be real powerful in New Brunswick. Roads will be covered with snow. It's going to be dangerous conditions outside. Whiteout conditions. Roads will be covered with snow. Winds will be blowing the snow around. People in New Brunswick, be prepared. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food because buy bottle of water, buy cases of Pepsi, buy extra batteries, and buy your flashlights and candles, and crank up radio ready for a big major blizzard in New Brunswick on Sunday, February 3rd, 2013. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your cell phones charged, have your tablets charged, because the storm is going to be very powerful in New Brunswick. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Cars will get in the car accidents. Car tires will be spinning around. A lot of snow is going to take place in New Brunswick. Even the strong winds are going to affect Western Nova Scotia. Major blizzards going to affect Western Nova Scotia as well. It's going to affect Halifax, Moncton, New Brunswick, Fredericton, St. John, Bathurst, and those places, because the storm is going to be very powerful in New Brunswick. People in New Brunswick, stay indoors on Sunday, February 3rd, 2013. Don't go outside because storming is going to be very powerful. It's going to be real high winds. And snow is going up to 40 centimeters of snow in New Brunswick and Western Nova Scotia. Best of luck to you. People in New Brunswick, be prepared for the major blizzard on Sunday, February 3rd, 2013. Good luck and stay safe. And don't get caught in the snow. Have your snow plows ready. Have your snow shovels ready and snow scoops ready. Don't shovel the snow you have to wait until a big storm is over in New Brunswick. Best of luck to you.